Hello, in front of me I have Honor 400 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the MAC address check using the IMEI number of our device on the IMEI.info page. Okay, but first we need to find the MAC address of our device. To do it we need to open up the settings. Once we are here we need to simply scroll down into the bottom until we find the About Phone. Options, now scroll down and find the status, and in here as you can see we have the Wi-Fi MAC address. Okay, so simply now remember this address, and now let's get into the IMEI.info page. Okay, so now we are on the page, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options using the IMEI number of our Honor 400 Pro, and in that video I'm also showing you how to find the IMEI number. Okay, once you have typed the number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now as you can see we have our Honor 400 Pro. Now let's simply scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks, which are right in here. And now you can see that we have the MAC address check. Simply click on that. Now scroll down. And now in here in this text bar we need to type our MAC address. Simply type it, click on check MAC address. And in here as you can see we have some information about the company name, the country, the company address, country flag, the OUI, is it private, border left, border right, assignment block size, the data create, the data update, and below we can also see the 10 random MAC addresses. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.